Hey, welcome to the wood shop. So today I've got a package from KC Tools. Specialize in German tools. This actually shipped out of Olathe, Kansas, so it's Kansas City Tools. So let's see what we've got. The first thing, of course, we get a bit of thanks. They always send out #2 Phillips. And they send out a seasonal. This is the seasonal. If you buy one of these tools, you get a free baseball. Not too interested in a baseball. We got a mystery sticker that we'll be opening. First thing is the Stabila Pocket Pro Magnetic. Yeah, I've actually been wanting one of these. Huh. Just want to check and make sure it was Stabila because it says KC Tool on it, so I guess they've got some kind of partnership. That's fit good on the tool bag. Next thing is some NWS pliers. Of course, NWS is made in Germany. Wow, looks like some high quality pliers here. It's got Solingen, that's where it's made. NWS made in Germany. Wow, feels good. A little tight. Just kind of like a combination plier. A little too. Very nice feeling though. The next one is the NWS side cutters. And I'm going to look, that Solingen, I know there is a Solingen Germany, but it may be a type of steel also. I need to look into that. Maybe you guys can tell me on the... Wow. Very nice pliers. Feels great in the hand. It's my first pair of NWS, the first tool from NWS. Next, we just got a little plastic hammer here, Picard hammer. These are replaceable, kind of a softer plastic. And then we got a Stahlwille flexible 1/4-inch bit holder. Actually, my first Stahlwille tool. Boy, got a nice soft finish on it. This green is the harder green, and the finish just goes around that. Good looking tool. It's flexible, but it's not that flexible. And that's about it. That's all you get out of it. Of course, I guess that's all you need because you can really... Looks like you can work it well. So, of course, it's made in Germany also. Very nice. May dive a little bit deeper into these later. Make sure that's it. They didn't send me anything by mistake. No, of course not. All right, let's look at the mystery sticker. See what we've got here. Oh, good. It's a Knipex. The It's the first mystery sticker I've seen with this nice reflective Knipex sticker. Very nice. Okay, next thing we're going to be looking at. I did get in something from Ridgid today, and it is, boom, it's the 18 volt magnetic LED task light kit. This was just released by Ridgid. There's the light. Comes with a little cheap Ridgid charger. And hard to get out of there. 2 amp hour battery. Of course, the battery's got one light on it. Very nice. Let's see. It's got magnets here. Of course, the light is here. Light rotates almost 360. It's folded up. You can see the Ridgid logo here, and that's in like a soft rubber. Let's see how you turn this thing on. There it is. Alright, that's it. You get two. You get high and low and off. So this thing rotates back. You could set it up like this. You could put it like this. You can hang it on this hook. Or of course you got the magnets on the back also. You got these rubber feet. Trying to see, something looks like it screws in here. I don't know what you would screw in there. I don't think you'd put a belt clip on there. But very nice. Very basic light. Pretty much pour it in any direction you want to. So that is the Ridgid R86901KSB. 900 lumens, 220 degree pivoting, 270 rotation, magnetic, clear white light, 24-hour maximum runtime. I guess that's on low, probably with the 2 amp hour battery, I guess. So I like it. This was $79. It's $79 or $69. I'll leave a link in the comments below if you want it. But I know Milwaukee put out something just like this, but I'm sure it was more money. But this is a nice light for the price. So that's it. Hopefully we can get into some more reviews of some of these. If you guys want to see more of like the NWS pliers, let me know, and we'll get into it. Okay, let's have a look, see how it works with the magnets. Magnets are underneath the light here. Like a very good contact there. Fold it down. Strong, very strong magnet. And we could just fold it right back around, fold it up. I like it. Thanks a lot. See you later.